For private aircraft operating in the US, the crew is required to use oxygen masks if the cabin altitude stays above for more than 30 minutes. A. 12,000 feet. B. 50,000 feet. C. 25,000 feet. D. 20,000 feet. The correct answer is 12,000 feet. What is the range of Boeing 777F? A. 3,000 nautical miles. B. 5,500 nautical miles. C. 4,900 nautical miles. D. 7,000 nautical miles. The correct answer is 4,900 nautical miles. What is the typical cabin altitude of the Boeing 767 when cruising at 37,000 feet? A. 7,000 feet. B. 10,000 feet. C. 15,000 feet. D. 18,000 feet. The correct answer is 7,000 feet. The cabin altitude rises gradually from the altitude of the airport of origin to a regulatory maximum of A. 15,000 feet. B. 20,000 feet. C. 40,000 feet. D. 8,000 feet. The correct answer is 8,000 feet. Which of the following was the first purpose-built cargo aircraft? A. Ardu AR-232. B. MD-80. C. Handley Page HP.42. D. Boeing 747-8F. The correct answer is Ardu AR-232. Which of the following aircraft can be ordered in a freighter version with a large nose door? A. Boeing 747. B. Airbus A320. C. Boeing 737. D. Airbus A340. The correct answer is Boeing 747. The pressure inside the cabin is technically referred to as A. Cabin bar. B. Cabin pressure. C. Cabin altitude. D. Cabin level. The correct answer is cabin altitude. Which of the following can provide a sea level cabin altitude when cruising at 41,000 feet? A. Bombardier Global Express. B. MI West SJ30. C. Boeing 767. D. Airbus A340. The correct answer is MI West SJ30. In aircrafts, the cabin altitude during flight is kept above sea level so as to reduce stress on the pressurized part of the A. engines. B. wings. C. fuselage. D. tail. The correct answer is fuselage. Which of the following is the body's most common response to hypoxia? A. hyperventilation. B. hypoxia. C. barotrauma. D. sinus. The correct answer is hyperventilation. Which of the following is not a distinguishing feature for cargo aircrafts? A. wide fuselage. B. number of engines. C. high wings. D. large number of wheels. The correct answer is number of engines. A cargo aircraft does not carry passengers. A. true. B. false. C. D. The correct answer is true. Cabin altitude of 0 would indicate the pressure found at mean sea level. A. false. B. true. C. D. The correct answer is true. The compulsory maximum cabin altitude does not eliminate all physiological problems. A. false. B. true. C. D. The correct answer is true.